Okay.
Good job. You push it back.
Then. Okay. Okay.
You know how to do it? Okay. What? Hold on. Hold on. Do it. What about you? What you doing with your excavator over there? Did you plant that bush? You did? It looks like you did a good job. That's some kind of flower, isn't it? And, oh, you fixed it for the flower bed for Mama? Did you use that excavator to plant that bush? Okay. Mama, look at that bush over there you planted. Show Mama what you did.
Yeah. It looks good, Cruz.
Hold up. Let me
Yeah, it looks good.
Pull it. Yeah. Like you here. Pull back. Okay. And go like this. Push that back up like that. Okay. Look. Then you grab some dry. Right there. Pull the dry back here and put it in the wet. Okay. Right back up there like that. Yeah. Pull it to the dry. Back to the wet. Okay, you can do it. You're doing a good job. You push it back. He's really doing a good job. Okay. You concrete with that? Let me help you right here. That's a little tough right there. Let me help you right here. Pull. Okay, let's pull.
It's hard.
See how it's pull? Right here, pull. Okay, then right back down here. Let that stuff get in there, okay? Just go right here and push it in. Come on. Pull it right there. You pull that back.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on up here and scoop it right here. Pull a fuzz. No, stay back where you at. Pull. Pull. See how that's dry? Look. See how it's dry? Okay. Get it wet, see? There you go. Push it back up there. There you go. You can do it. Yes. All by yourself. Okay. How many bags of concrete is that? 2 bags. And what is that for? No, but for the concrete, what are we going to do with it? Cement? Flower bed. We're going to put rock in a flower bed. Cement. You tell me to drive the excavator.
He wants to use it, Cruz. Look.
Let me help you get wet to the wet, okay?
Yeah, so it won't dry.
it over here, okay? Yeah, push some of that over. There you go. There you go. That's how you do it. Yeah. Push it. You got to get a real good mix. See the water going in it? Okay, it's gonna do good. Yeah, we gotta put it in the flower bed and put rock on it. And then when it dries, the rock will stay there. See the rock? Yeah, look, see all the rock? Got lots of rock over there.
Okay. Then. Okay. Wheels? Yeah. Yeah. I think you did. Not you? I think it's full now. Yeah. Yeah. What's the name of your excavator? Oh, okay. Okay. One more scoop and you're done, right? What is it? Where? Where? No, that's mine.
Give her close to it. Here it comes. Look at you got a bubble. Look at you got a bubble on him. Look at it. He's walking with a bubble. Don't be scared.